All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Sorry for being late. We had a busy day doing installs. Hey, Louis. Welcome, Louis. Hey, Solomon. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. All right. All right. All right. So it's good to see that you guys are getting your updates, right? So on your time frame. So I've been extremely busy, but Um, we want to get that done. All right. That's a great addition. All right. Great addition. So we want to make sure uh, all our traders have the updated time frames. Okay. All right. Let's go through. Uh, hey, Betty. Welcome, Betty. Welcome. All right. Hey, Monica. Welcome, Monica. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go to the markets. All right. Let's take a look at the markets. All right. Um, we had an update in the market. So the Dow was up. All right. Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, and the Russell was all up today. All right. So that's good news. All right. That's good news. Not a major change, though. Um, right. In the trend is still down now. The Nasdaq found a little bit of support. Also, the Dow found some support here, and also the S&P. No support yet on the Russell. All right. The VIX came down a bit. All right. VIX is at it's back below 20, is at 18 here. All right. So that is good news. The VIX is coming down. All the sectors are still down. All right. All the sectors here are still down. All the indexes are down. But we've had 2 days now, 2 days of buying. Right. So Monday was a big update in the equity markets, over 500 points on the Dow. That's a big day, guys. All right. And then another update today. So we'll see, right? If buying continues, right? And let's take a look at the Dow here. So I know it's still early, but right, we have to be ready for buyers. So if buyers come in, right, and that will change all the markets, guys, all the different markets. Okay, so we are finding support right here. Okay, we're finding support right here on the Dow. All right, we're going to put this here. All right, and this isn't big picture. This is just current. So it's, if you guys look here, that's holding. And our US 30 traders, keep an eye on this. Okay, keep an eye on this. US 30 will follow. It's the Dow, right? So support here. All right, I will count this support here, and here it is. Price, right, is now holding support. Okay, so it's holding support here. If we have another update tomorrow through the week, and we start moving higher, we might get, right? We're far from that, but we could get a green candle. All right, green candle. Well, white candle first, kind of like here. All right, green candle, right? And then all of a sudden, we're now going up again, testing resistance. This has been an absolute crazy market. These markets are absolutely crazy. Um, in all my years, I haven't seen a market where we have really no direction for a long time, just for a very, very, very long time. All right. No real direction. Okay. So it wouldn't surprise me if buyers come in, right? And all of a sudden we're testing resistance. Now it doesn't happen quickly, right? Won't happen in a few days, but if we get buying this week, buying next week, all right, certainly, right? We can be up at resistance, testing the highs again. Crazy, right? Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, but hey, we'll just monitor the price action, and we're not going to forecast what's going to happen. We'll just follow the price. Okay. But just know the Dow is finding some support there. The NASDAQ, support for the NASDAQ would come about here. All right. So if it can get back above this area here, all right, for the NASDAQ, we could see support there. All right. So, but sellers are still in control. All right. All red candles. So just keep that in mind. All right. Let's see here. I want to see stock boss here. Let's see if we have more. So 17, same as yesterday, last night. 15. Okay, nothing here. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. And we did have some movement today. All right. So Aussie, New Zealand. All right. That's still holding here. All right. Still holding here. EURSEK. That's still holding. Swiss yen. And we'll look to add positions this evening in Monster Scalper. Swiss yen short. All right. Short position, Swiss yen. All right. The yen pairs made a big move today, guys. All right. So this one closed. All right. So if anyone is in Swiss yen, hopefully you got out, right? Way at least by this white candle here. All right. So Swiss yen, anyone is in it, close that trade. All right. And we'll look for long positions in the yen. All right. Forex dominator. All right. Forex dominator. Again, Swiss yen, long position, long position. All right. So long position is holding in Forex dominator. Buy signal here, that's holding. Euro yen. All right. Euro yen. Buy signal is here. We had a nice break. All right. So this move back in the yen pairs will certainly help these yen positions in Forex dominator. Okay. So buy signal here, and we got a big break. See this big candle here? All right. Nice big candle breaking resistance. So we should get some follow through there. All right. HKD JPY. All right. Nice big candle, guys. We love it, right? Buy signal all the way down here. All right. Nice trend line, big candle came in today here. Lots of buying came in today. And we love to see that in the trend. All right. SGD, JPY, same thing. All right. So yen pairs made a big move. I think Solomon, you mentioned that, right? Big moves in the yen pairs today. So SGD, JPY, buy signal all the way down here, guys. All right. All green candles. All right. Big green candle. All right. So we could see the yen pairs continue to move higher. All right. USD, dollar CAD. All right, trading above resistance. We need to get past where sellers are sitting. All right, sellers are sitting here at resistance. We're getting past resistance here. Okay. USD MXN. All right, buy signal here. Right, we got in about right here, still holding there. EUR JPY. All right, we just need this one to break out, just holding at resistance here. If you guys are tired of, if anyone is in here in this, right, you're tired, just close it. All right. Right, just hold in there. EURN okay. Buy signal is here, and that's breaking out, moving up nicely there. Okay. All right. We'll skip futures this evening. They're just holding currently. All right. Equity stock boss, you guys know we've been trimming positions, right? If we get a white candle, all right, let's say we get a white candle, all right, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, we might start looking, all right, but in selective, um, sectors. Okay, not across the board, just particular sectors. All right, but we won't look right now. Right, but if we get a white candle, we'll start looking at equities. Okay. All right. So stock boss, you know, we just have to be careful. Sellers could come in at any time. We are in the markdown phase, right? We are in the markdown phase. So, right, just because we have a pause like this doesn't mean sellers can come back in, right? Just because we get a pause doesn't mean sellers can come back in. So, always have to be concerned with that. SWN, all right, energy stock. All right. In stock boss, buy signal is here. That's still holding. AV, PT. All right. That's technology. Buy signal is here. Nice markup phase. Good trading here. Buy signal here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, holding. Right. Breaking resistance, purpose support and resistance. All right, so keep that in mind. But look, it's been breaking through those purple support and resistance, right? So it's breaking highs even within lower highs, lower lows. Okay. All right. Bull master. All right. DRS, buy signal is here. That's holding all green candles. Nothing to do there. All right. All right. Um, KTOS, buy signal is here. All green candles. So holding above resistance, which is important. Okay. All right. White candle here. We get a white candle, red candle, sell signal, close it. All right. And that's technology. AEO, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback. Nice upward trend line. Previous trade did really well. All right. Buy signal came in at 13.23. Right. Sell signal at 15.17. Buy signal here 17.47. Holding right here. GPS. All right, buy signal here, nice gap up, holding here. We're looking for this stock to hopefully get at resistance here. All right, then that might be a concern. We have sellers sitting here and here. Okay, but buy signal is here, trading nicely so far. That's part of communication services there. Another energy stock. All right, ESTE, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. All right. I think we said we're going to close this one. Close this one. Okay, guys. ESTE. All right. Let's take a look at, I think we looked at the monthly, did we? Yeah, we looked at the monthly. Let's see here. Yeah, we have a lot of resistance here. All right. Um, let's take a look at the weekly. Yeah, high here. Um, energy, it could make a move higher. All right. I'm not sure what we said on this one. If we would keep it, take a look at the monthly again. Yeah, see these spikes here, guys. So we have no real trend, right? So spikes, buyers come in and then sellers push it back down. I mean, you could get a move a bit higher, but it's not sustainable. All right. So every time the price makes right gets to that resistance, gets to a high, sellers, right? It's almost looks like a pump and dump. Almost looks like a pump and dump. Okay, so we'll close this. All right, so ESTE, close it. I thought we closed this. All right. HPK, that's energy. All right. Buy signal here, holding. Now, this one could break out. It is part of energy, right? So if we get continued buying, it could break out. We have resistance right here, buy signal right, a bit of a pullback right here. Nice trend line. So we know buyers are moving it higher, all right? Right along that trend line, buyers are holding it, right? Just looking to break through. Being squeezed here, right? Triangle here is being squeezed. Green candles just need a nice pop, all right? So this could break out, all right? All right. We're going to go right to Forex. I'm going to spend some time on Monster Scalper and Forex Dominator. Now, we didn't look at any positions picks last night in Forex, so we want to do that. Almost every time we skip Forex, there is a move, and there was a move today. All right. So let's go through, let's look for long positions, okay? Now we're going to look for long positions on the 240-minute time frame, which is Monster Scalper, okay? But remember, right, we've been busy doing all of your upgrades, updates, right? Right, bringing in your time frame. So we want to spend some time going through, right, looking for opportunities here, right, right, on your original Monster Scalper, right, on the 240. But we want to take that information and we want to see if we can do some quicker trades here. Okay. All right. Now you guys should have this also. All right. You should have your net, your net percentage up and down. Okay. All right. So first one, Aussie dollar. You guys, you should know by now. There's nothing we can do here with this. Okay. There's not a trade here. All right. So let's keep going. All right. Aussie New Zealand. We're in this one already. Okay. Aussie Swiss. All right. Congratulations to Monica. This is her first trade. All right. So this is Monica's first trade. So congratulations, Monica, on your taking your first trade today. Now we got in a little late for her. So this is not a great example of a perfect timing, but needed to get into a first trade, small amount. She's trading a small amount. So good setup. All right, but it's gone a little bit. All right. Ideally, we want to get in right about here. Okay, right about here. And now it's looking to break through resistance here, but a good trade. All right, good markdown phase. Good markdown phase. Nice accumulation. All right. Now support and resistance is wide, but that's fine. Buy signal here, right? On a break of this resistance right here. Buy signal by our system. All green candles looks really good. Okay. Looks really good. Good markdown phase, right? Got rid of all those sellers. Now we're in the markup phase. Okay. But what we're going to do, so Aussie, we're going to add Aussie, AUDCHF, AUDCHF, long. So we're going long, not short, and that's in Monster Scalper. Okay. Now, those of you who've been trading with us, all right, we know that it's gone a bit. All right. Now, Monica is in it. That's great. But we want to, for our other traders, right? We're using our time frame, and now we can look for opportunities, right? Look for opportunities on the smaller time frames. Hold on. All right, let's do this. All right, so let's see here. 30-minute on the 30-minute. Let's see if we know we have a buy signal on the 240, right? We have a buy signal on the 240, right? Which is in Monster Scalper. We have green candles here on the daily. That's good. All right. Further confirmation. Still have red candles on the weekly, but that's fine. Okay. Let's find a trading window here. So the 60-minute, let's bring in the 60 just to see here. All right. So 60-minute. Hey, here's a possible trade setup here. All right. So we know the 240 is great, right? It's gone a bit. 60-minute, look right here. Perfect setup, buy signal right here. Previous buy signal turned out really well, right? Bought here, sold here. Even this one didn't do too bad. Bought here, sold here. So we know it's trading well on the 60-minute time frame, okay? So that's an opportunity to get in there, all right? On the 30-minute, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame, all right? Also the 30-minute, guys. This is the type of work you need to do, okay? All right, find these great setups, then look at the smaller time frame, all right? For those of you who have been trading with us for a while. So Aussie Swiss, 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute, buy signal here, sold here, bought here, sold here, break of support. Here we are, buy signal right here, and now it's moving higher. Okay, that's the 30-minute time frame. Now I'm not going to go through all of these, but just want to give you guys some examples. Okay, 15-minute time frame. All right, so if you wanted to, right, this evening, all right, you wanted to look for a trade. Remember, the Aussie pairs, Kiwi pairs, yen pairs will move in the Asian market, which is in the evening. Okay. Yeah, you're welcome, Monica. Good job. Um, Monica, everyone here, they were once new like you, right? So taking their first trade. So welcome to the club. Welcome. Okay. Um, Aussie Swiss, right? Price is moving higher right now in the Asian market. All right. This one here, you would just wait for your buy signal. Okay. So we know it's moving up all right. Green candles, right? All green candles here, all buy signals. Just wait. Find the time frame and then just wait for the trade. Okay. So um good opportunity here with Aussie Swiss. Okay. Aussie Swiss. So let's go back here. All right. So 240, we're going to add it Aussie Swiss. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD. Nothing here. New Zealand dollar. All right. Nothing there. All right. New Zealand Swiss. So we have Aussie Swiss, and we're also going to add New Zealand Swiss. All right. So yeah, there might be a move here with the Swiss pairs. You guys remember we caught a trade with the Kiwi pairs, right? The Kiwi pairs were making a move. Nice setup here. All right. Nice setup. Now it's gone a little bit, right? It's moved away from the buy signal. All right. But we'll still call it. All right. Hasn't gone too far. All right. And we'll look for opportunities, right? Using our time frames. Okay. Um, Great. Remember, Peter likes to call this the mountain, right? So it's great when these trades do this. Okay. So the previous markup phase broke support, sell signal. All right. Distribution phase, markdown phase. All right. If we bring in a short signal here, we'll see a great short on the downside. All right. Look at that, right? So great buy signal in the markup phase, great short lid. Look at that short, guys, right? Great short here in the markdown phase. And now we have a buy signal here to now go up, all right? Good chance we could get another great move, okay? No guarantee of that, but um, that's what could happen, okay? All right, so good setup here. All right, so we'll add it. And that goes together. Aussie, Kiwi pairs, and they're Swiss, both Swiss. Okay, so New Zealand Swiss long in Monster Scalper. Okay, so two great setups. All right, let's take a look at the smaller time frames here. All right, so on the 240, we know we've got a buy signal, white candle here on the daily. On the 60, let's take a look at the 60. All right, so buy signal. Look at the buy signal here on the 60, guys. Buy signal here all the way up here. All right, has pulled back a bit. Held support, right? Trading nicely. Okay, all right. Let's take a look. So can't get in here. It's gone. Okay, on the 60. Let's bring in the 30. All right. So now on the 30-minute, it's pull back. We have support here. All right. So those of you who trade monster scalper, guys, do this stuff. Okay. All right. Do this. All right. Buy signal was here, came back down. Right. Held support. Previous resistance is support. We just wait on a white on a green candle. You get a green candle, right? That would be your cue to now, right, take it up. All right. And it's got a descent to trend line. Look at that trend line. So it's all right. All right. Now it's taking some buy signals, right? Rocky buy signals here, but following the trend line. All right. So you could trade it on the 30-minute. All right. I don't think anything is on the 15-minute here. Let's see here. 15-minute, just want to wait for a buy signal. Okay. So, but on the 240, right, looks really good. I think on the 240 is the better setup. All right. Great setup here. Great setup. All right. All green candles, no support and resistance there on the 240. New Zealand CAD. All right. Choppy in here. Nice markdown phase. All right. Not bad. Markup phase, but a bit choppy in here. All right. Good support down here, though. All right. But a lot of volatility right there. All right. Big move in ZAR yen. All right. ZAR yen. All right. Now, in the past, guys, we would just leave this alone, right? Couldn't touch it. All right. Wouldn't touch it. Couldn't touch it. So what we can do now is bring it here to your time frames. Okay. All right. So now look at this, guys. Perfect setup here. All right. Just by looking at it. All right. So remember, in the past, right, they spike like this. Let's say, all this happened today. Right. Remember, every candle is 4 hours worth of data here. Okay. So this happened today. So if you missed it, right, in the London session, right, you got busy, right, missed it, right. We know buyers are in and they're in it in a big way, right? They're pushing that price higher. Now we can come here. This is what's cool about, right, this time frames. Okay, we can see here on the weekly. Look here, buy signal, breaking resistance on the weekly. Great confirmation, great setup there, right? On our daily, same thing. All right, buy signal here. Look at that, breaking resistance, big candle here today. All right, daily time frame. All right, so guys, do this stuff. All right, on the 240, right? On the 240, we just looked at the 240. That's the 240, broke resistance. Big buyers are coming in. That's on the 240. All right. On the 60-minute, which is here, let's bring that in here on the 60-minute. All right. Here it is. Buy signal here on the 60 minutes. So the hourly time frame. You see how we're taking every time frame, guys, and we're going down 30-minute time. So that's gone. It's gone. There's no, you can't get in on the 60 minutes. Okay. It's gone. On the 30-minute time frame, all right, buy signal is here all the way up here too. You can't get in. All right. So that's the 30-minute. So now keep going. And let's see here, 15-minute. All right. So 15-minute, it closed, right? Buy signal was here. Look at it. Great trade, guys. Buy signal was here. All right. Closed here. So now you could wait. All right. Just wait for the next buy signal. All right. On the 15-minute time frame. Okay. All right. And we'll spend some time learning how to really use these time frames. And this will provide you guys with lots of opportunities, quicker opportunities, okay? But you'll be following the overall trend. That's always the concern, right, with trading the smaller time frames, okay? Looking at one time frame doesn't work. We have to look at all the different time frames, okay? All right, let's take a look at this one here. Now it's gone. We can't buy, right? Can't enter on the 240. So, but we know buyers are in. They're in in a big way. So let's go here. All right. Same thing here. All right. Weekly, daily. Look at that. All that green. All that green. That's buyers, buy signals. All right. Here on your 15-minute time frame. All right. It's closed. Great trade here. Just wait for the next buy signal. All right. Wait patiently. If it breaks resistance here, it will give you another buy signal. And we know the momentum is up, guys. They are buying. Look at this. This is the weekly. They are buying this. All right. So we can, we can look for opportunities. We can look for opportunities here. All right. Pairs that are doing this, or we can look for opportunities with pairs that are doing this. All right. So you can look for what's really moving. All right, and find the time frame to get on. Okay, to get on. All right. New Zealand yen, nothing here. HKD. All right, let's go back here. New Zealand yen right here. Choppy. All right, not bad. All right, but we just need this too. A lot of choppiness here. All right, so this could be a good trade here, right? We just a lot of big candles here, right? Going back, this could be a good trade, but we'll just hold off. That's New Zealand yen. HKD JPY, that's gone. Again, bring in your smaller time frames. Pound yen, right? We love trading pound yen. All right, let's see here. All right, so pound yen, right? I wouldn't say it's gone, right? We have resistance here. Pound yen really moves, okay? So it's got a wide range, right? Trading between support and resistance here. It is breaking out, all right? But not, this would be dangerous to get in on the 240 because, sellers could come in and knock this back down. But we can trade it on the smaller time frames, okay? So if we bring it in here, all right? So nice buy-in on the weekly, right? Green candles on the daily, 240, 60-minute, 30, and the 15-minute close, guys. Look at the trade here on the 15-minute. All right. So on the 240, doesn't look well, right? Doesn't look very good, right? On the 240, but boy, look at this. Look at this trading here. All right. On the 15-minute, even on the 30-minute. Even on the 30-minute time frame, buy signal here, right? Would have gotten in about in here, right? Nice trading going here. 60-minute. All right, same thing here. Buy signal here on the 60-minute. Great trading. So bring in those smaller time frames, okay? Euro yen. All right, buy signal is here. Normally, we would force these trades. You guys know that. You guys, those of you been around, right? Normally, we would force these trades, right? What we're going to start to do is rather than taking a trade like this that doesn't have any real direction, if you guys look here, right? Very, very choppy, no direction. And sometimes we would force this just to have a trade. So now we can come here, all right? And now we can, right? It's moving higher, all the different time frames. Now we can find a time frame. All right. So 60-minute, it's already gone. Let's see, 30-minute. All right, 30-minute already gone, has a buy signal there. Let's bring in the 15. Or we could wait for for it to close and then look for the next buy signal on the 30-minute. Okay. So again, normally this is not tradable. All right. And sometimes we would force trades like this. So now we bring it to the smaller time frames. Okay. Nothing here. Nothing here. If you guys are going to do that, use the time frame. Make sure you have buy signals first. Okay, make sure you have buy signals at the minimum on your 240. All right, on your 240. Okay, absolutely nothing here. Absolutely nothing here. Okay, let's take a look at the time frame here. All right, look at this on the 30-minute, guys. Look at this buy signal here. Okay, let's see on the 60-minute. All right, even on the 60-minute, but still choppy here. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. All right, look at the 15-minute. Not bad here. Okay. All right. Okay. You guys get the idea, but we'll keep going through this, right? We'll keep every time we go through Monster Scalper, we'll look for opportunities on the smaller time frame. Okay. And I've heard back from you guys, right? A lot of good success already. Okay. Very choppy here with USD. What is that? CHF. Oh no, this is CHF here. All right, so USD CNH. Let's see what the dollars index is doing here. All right, so the dollar purpose support and resistance, it is holding here. It is up right now. All right, so we could see a move in the dollar. All right, just as I thought. Okay. All right, so we'll add this one, guys. Okay, so USDC and H. Okay, on the weekly time frame, guys, it's got a buy signal here and it's breaking through resistance right here. Okay, we got a high here. All right, we're getting past that area. We got a high buy signal. Okay, nice trend line. Okay, that's on the weekly, but on the 240. Now it doesn't look great on the 240, but I want to show you guys what's happening here. It looks really great on the weekly. So we'll add this one. So the 240. Now you guys don't have to do all of this analysis, but on the 240, it's breaking resistance. Okay. Now it's coming from a very bad consolidation. Okay, so it's not pretty. All right, so all this right here, right, very bad consolidation. Okay, so from this move here, from this move long here, it's been consolidating. Okay, but now it's breaking out and the dollar is making a move higher. Okay, so we'll look to add this one. So USD CNH, but if anyone trade it, just trade lightly, guys. Okay, until it breaks out. If it breaks out, you can always add. Okay, all right. Dollar Swiss, good trade going here with dollar Swiss. Okay, nice markdown phase. All right, nice markdown phase. Let's see here. right? Great trading up in the markup phase prior. Okay, good trade. Buy signal is here, breaking out big candles here. All right. So if anyone missed it, just go here, go to your time frame. All right. All right. Looks great on your larger time frame. Just look for an opportunity. It closed on the 15-minute, right? You get another buy signal, right? That could be an opportunity there. On the 15-minute, 30-minute, it's still holding. All right. And it's been trading well. Look at how it's been trading on the 30-minute, guys. 30-minute time frame. Okay. All right. So this wasn't a great trade here. All right. All right. Buy signal here, hit support, sold. Buy signal here, hit support, closed. And then buy signal here, hit support here. Good trade here. Buy signal here, hit support, and now buy signal here. So good trading on the 30-minute. We'll have to wait for a while on that 30-minute, but that 15-minute time frame is ready. So a buy signal is already closed. So if it breaks resistance right over here, up here, give you a buy signal. That could be an opportunity there. Okay, dollar Swiss. All right, but it's too far gone to call a buy signal on the 240. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Same thing, that's gone. All right, so dollar CAD, we're trading it in Forex Dominator, but it's gone here on the 240 buy signal here. Same thing. Don't chase it on that time frame. It's too late. All right. I know some of us have done this in the past where, right, we've missed the opportunity and we want to chase it. All right. It's too late. Hey, Saga, welcome, Saga. Okay. So when you remember, when you guys see it like this, normally we would pass. Right? You guys know this. Normally we would pass, like, we've missed it. Okay. But that's fine, right? Just bring in our time frames right here, and look at these perfect trades on the longer time frames. Okay, all right, 60, 30, right? So here it is on the 15-minute, still open on the 15-minute. All right, still open on the 60-minute. Here, 60-minute looks great, guys. Buy signal is here. You do have a purple support and resistance. Just, that's a concern there. All right. All right. But if it breaks past that, that's an entry there. Okay. That's on the 60-minute. 30-minute still open. All right. So you could wait. All right. But that 60-minute is ready to go. 15-minute, all right, is still open. Okay. So you can't trade that either. All right. Always wait for the next trade. All right. In the direction of your overall trend. All right. So you're following, right? You're with the buyers. You're with the buyers. You're not trading against the buyers. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, you guys should have this. If you do not, let me know, right? A good trick here that I do, okay, is you can look for, right here is your net, right? Your current, right? Current price up and down. Okay, so you can see here, and this is good to do in the Euro sessions, right? In the Euro sessions, right? 3, 4 a.m., 5 a.m. All right, you can look here, right? Because now you're just looking for a trade on the smaller time frames. All right, even on the 2 or 3 minute, right? 15-minute time frames. All right, so just look for right now the yen pairs are pulling back. All right, but 3, 4, 5 a.m. in the morning, this will go crazy. And then just look for the opportunities to go long or go short. Okay. Or even in the Asian market. Okay. Even in the Asian market too, but especially in the Euro session. Okay. So you guys have this now. This is part of the upgrade. Okay. So you have this now to see how the pairs are doing. So you can see here, yen pairs are down, Kiwi pairs are down, Aussie pairs are down. All right. A lot of the euro pairs are up. Some of the dollar pairs are up. Okay. All right. But don't expect a lot of consistency in the Asian market. The euro session, right? Um, euro session, New York session, right? You'll get more consistency here. Okay. Okay. We'll continue to go through this, guys. All right. When we go through Monster Scalper in the evenings, we'll spend time on this. Okay. Um, all right. So dollar Swiss, dollar CAD. Did we talk about dollar CAD? Yeah, we talked about. So start looking for opportunities on and on the 60-minute, you can find really good swing trades, guys, on the 60-minute time frames. Okay. All right. You don't always have to go to the 15-minute. Okay. That's gone. Still choppy in here in the euro, right? Yeah. Some are up, some are down. All right. EUR sees EUR Swiss, Euro Swiss. Now we're in Euro SEK. All right, we're in this one, but the Euro Swiss is trading really well. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this, right? Buy signal moving up nicely. Go here. All right, look at this. Good price action here. All right, good trades on the 15-minute. Look at this. All right, and what's good about the smaller time frames, if if it's wrong, if it doesn't work out, you can get out quickly too. Okay. A 30-minute time frame. All right. Look at this 30-minute time frame. Good trade here. Good trade here. Good trade going right here on the 30-minute time frame. Okay. Let's look at the 15-minute. Look at that. All right. 15. We might get to the point, guys, where we're just using and that's the hope, that we can get to the point where we're trading on these smaller time frames, and just really using the larger time frames for direction. Okay. All right. So even on the 15-minute, guys, look at this. Great trading here. Great trading here on the 15-minute time frame. Okay. Euro Swiss. Okay. Pound pairs. Let's see here. Oh, hold on. Let's go here. Pound dollar, nothing there. Pound SGD, nothing there. Pound New Zealand. All right. So pound New Zealand buy signal is here, consolidating right here. All right. Pound HKD, nothing here. Look at pound Swiss. Did we talk about pound Swiss? Pound Swiss. All right. So it's gone. All right. But look here. Find your time frame again. All right. All right. So it's moving up nicely here. 15-minute. Great trade here. All right. Buy signal here. All right. So it's got a buy signal, and right. Good trade it. Okay. Worst case, it fails, you get out. All right. But imagine, right? If you imagine, guys, if you're constantly finding trades like this, we know when we trade, we are constantly testing, right? And we're looking for great setups, right? And we know we have a process in place that's going to get us out quickly when we're wrong, but stay in our winning trades as long as possible. All right. So if we're able to do that, right, just cut those small losses, right, capture those bigger wins, but find trades. You could do this consistently, do this where you consistently finding trades that are moving. All right. Trades that are moving in the markup phase or the markdown phase. And then look for the smaller time frames. A good way to do that is here. All right. So we can go up here. All right. And we can find what's moving. All right. All right. So here, This is EUR CHF is the third moving pair. All right. And then Euro SEK. All right. So a good exercise to do. You can go here. Those of you who've been with us for a while, okay? If you're brand new, don't do this. All right. But those of you who've been with us for a while, find the ones up here. The pairs that are up here, all right, are the ones that are trending, either up or down, long or short. Okay. So good trick. Go up here, find the ones that are moving. So EUR, and then I'll be done with this after this one, guys. EUR, CHF. All right. See right here, they're buying it, right? It's moving higher. EUR, SEK. Okay. Same thing. Buy signal here. That's moving in the markup phase. EUR, SEK. All right. Let's find another one. And you guys can do this, right? In the New York session, you can look here for opportunities, or you could go, like I said, you could go here. Look what's moving here. Okay. All right. But I like doing it here. Pound Swiss is another one. Pound GBP CHF. Right. It's moving straight up, guys. Okay. And then let's see here. All right. And then let's dollar Swiss. And notice the Swiss pairs, right? We keep saying that the Swiss USD CHF. So the Swiss pairs, all right, they're leading that group up here, right? Even New Zealand Swiss is right here, all right? New Zealand Swiss, all right? NZD CHF, all right? So take those, look, right? You can't trade all of them. Just look for some opportunities, okay? So come here. Euro Swiss, all right? So Euro Swiss, first one. All right, we know it's moving higher. Look at that right here. Right, wait for your opportunity. Okay, to now get in. All right, we know it's moving. We know they're buying it. Okay, great trade here. Not a great trade here. And then Euro Swiss, Euro SEK, Where is that? Right here. All right, same thing. They're buying it. Look at it. All green candles. Look at the weekly here. All right, look at the weekly there. It's going to take a lot to move this trend, turn this around on the weekly. They're buying it every week, right? Yes, you've had some pullbacks, but they're buying it. All right, so all we want to do is just jump on. Okay, just jump on. All right, 1 second here. Lewis. All right. Yeah, Lewis, practice this, buddy. Practice. I know you've been looking for some trading opportunity. That 240, that 240-minute time frame, right? You guys know we haven't had a lot of opportunities with that time frame. Market's been consolidating. So I'm glad you guys are excited about this. Okay. All right. But we want to use it, put it to work. All right. So what's the other one? Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss. Same thing here. Look at Pound Swiss, right? Right? It's moving higher right here. Previous buy signal worked out really well. Good chance, really, really good chance this buy signal here will work out. Okay. Dollar Swiss, and then one more, and I'll be done. All right. All right. All right. Same thing here. They're buying it. Dollar Swiss, just wait for a buy signal. So you guys should have a list of the pairs, right? Write this down, wait. Okay. If it turns around, no big deal. All right. Right. Just take your loss, find another opportunity. You will find one that work out. Okay. New Zealand Swiss. Don't get emotional about this. New Zealand Swiss. Let's see here. Right here. This one, not as good. All right, but there are better ones. Okay. All right, guys. All right, practice. All right. Trade small amounts. All right. If you knew small amounts, if you're still practicing small amounts, and then as you get better at it, add more. Okay. All right, guys. Take care. Have a great evening. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Any questions on this? Just let me know. Okay. All right. I'll help you guys. It's an important thing that we're going to work on. These time frames, right, on all of your even your future systems, right? So US 30, right? So Saga, hope you've been working on that. All right. US 30, all right. Solomon, you too on the US 30. All right. This is where it's going to really pay off, these smaller time frames. Okay. All right, guys. All right. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.